Hey, here's just a short review of the 10-inch Big Fudge record sleeves, 20 to this pack. Says crystal clear, polypropylene, 3 millimeters thick, which is supposed to be on the thicker side. Usually, if you have, gosh, I want to say polyethylene. Is it polyethylene? No, polypropylene. They're usually like 2 millimeters thick when you get the sort of cheapest, most common record sleeves. And I'm taking 2 of these out for 2 10-inch records that I have that have just been sitting in 12-inch record bags. So let's put these in. See how they do.